Welcome once again to another Philosophy Friday where we talk about these ideas that permeate our fitness culture that can either bring you forward or hold you back depending on our perspective on it. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button down below so you're updated on weekly episodes. Today we're taking a look at this idea that you've got to get outside your comfort zone in order to grow and make progress. And of course, where this idea has its merits is that if you never push yourself beyond what you're comfortable with, it's kind of like treading water. You're putting in a lot of effort and work, but you stay in the same place you're at now. At the same time, I've seen this idea of get outside your comfort zone kind of get taken to an extreme, because we think that's where progress sometimes lies. Like, we got to take things really far to extremes. And it ends up shooting folks in the foot because they get so outside their comfort zone, they get overwhelmed, they get frustrated, and before too long, the stress builds up too much and they retreat back to their comfort zone from where they were initially. Consider the research done on the flow state and the psychology of optimal human performance by Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi. I can never get this right. But the point he made was that in a flow state, we achieve our optimal abilities, where you're feeling somewhat in control, we feel great, time passes by in a flash, and we're at an optimal state of performance as well. Now, on either side of this state, you have great overload, so you're doing something that's way too difficult and you get overloaded and stressed out, so you get frustrated. Or on the other side, you're understimulated and you get very bored and you're just like, what am I doing this for? And my experience has been that those who struggle with anything with diet or exercise kind of swing between these two states consistently, and they never spend enough time in this flow state kind of thing because they're feeling underwhelmed and they're like, I got to get something done. And then they go to an extreme because they think they've got to get outside of their comfort zone and they go too far. So the lesson today is that getting a little bit outside of what you consider normal or comfortable is certainly important and essential for your growth, but don't feel like you've got to blast through walls and get rid of this comfort zone like crazy. Instead, you're just stretching yourself a little bit further than where you were before. And this is different for everybody. For some people, getting outside of their comfort zone may be signing up for a marathon. For others, it could simply be taking a short walk after dinner. Whatever is outside of your comfort zone is the place you want to be in order to make progress relative to yourself. Don't worry about what other people are doing and how extreme their diet is or their workout program. You do what you need to do to stretch yourself just a little bit, enough so that you can hold the position you're at and don't feel like you need to be extreme and get way outside your comfort zone or anything like this. Just a little bit of growth, 1% at a time, adds up very quickly. So there you go, folks. Hopefully that gave you some things to consider, to think about. Let me know if you have questions, comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as well. Be fit, live free.